I'm going to be comparing this Ryobi 1 Plus brushless chainsaw, which is currently being discontinued, versus this Powerline, the 2150 chainsaw. It's a gas chainsaw versus an electric chainsaw. So always make sure to wear the proper safety glasses, hearing protection, chaps, shoes, and everything, gloves. And also, when you're holding your chainsaw here, if your blade catches on something, it will kick back, and you don't want that to ram into your body, like your leg or something, where it could come down and hit your foot. And you want it to, like when you do it, you go so it would go like in between my legs and not into my legs or my chest or something. So starting with the electric. So it's pretty easy to start it. All you have to do is just pull the trigger. And also, do not cut with the tip of the blade. Always cut as close to the motor as possible. So I think the Ryobi one is a little slower. Gas one definitely has more power. I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.